Hey guys, this is how to fix Snapchat camera not full screen error. So let's get into it and fix this error by using the 4 methods. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you just need to tap and hold on your Snapchat app and now click on the app info. Here you just need to click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage and then OK. Once you're done, you just need to again open and log into your Snapchat, and doing so your problem may be fixed. Otherwise, you just need to check your camera settings in your Snapchat app, and doing so hopefully your problem will be fixed. The third method is to simply change your resolution of your screen in your Android or iPhone. For this you have to just open your phone settings, and here you just need to check and change your screen resolution of your Android or iPhone. The fourth and the last method is to simply uninstall your Snapchat app, and after uninstallation you just need to change the resolution of your Android or iPhone. Once you're done, you just need to install your Snapchat app from your Play Store or App Store, but make sure that you are using the updated version of Snapchat. Once you're done, your problem will be fixed. So that's how to fix Snapchat camera not full screen error. Thanks for watching.